Okay.
What was that?
Hey guys, it's Familia here, and today we are celebrating Auria's 8th birthday. She doesn't know that it's decorated. Her birthday is actually tomorrow on Sunday, but we decided to celebrate on Saturday. Excuse you! Jesus, she's playing with the balloons. So her theme is Among Us. So, and then her balloons, it looks super cute. I did the best that I could because they don't really sell Among Us stuff, but it worked out. It looks really cute. So I'm going to call her down so she can see and record her reaction.
Oh,
Now close your eyes.
You know, by the way, I saw
Okay. Close your eyes. Okay. Open them.
Yay! Oh Among Us! when we get downstairs in the gaming room, because the door is like half open. The only thing I saw was just a pink and yellow strings.
Yeah.
Like, wait, did you see the Among Us character though? Did you see any of the Among Us? Do you see the birthday blue, pink, and look at Auria. Look at that one. Look at that one, the green one.
No, don't, because they're...
Don't. Look at this one. I just saw that one. I can't even touch it.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
And then the banner has Among Us too.
I don't know if you've seen that.
And then we have the flag ones.
And then your happy birthday. We should play on Wondershare. Look at the one on top of you. Look at Angel.
You can keep those and you can put them in your room.
Yes.
Yeah. Like it, baby?
Yeah.
Okay, so mommy did good? Yeah. Those are for treat bags.
There's treats.
Alright, so we're gonna get you dressed and hair done and all that, okay?
Okay.
So we will be back.
Okay.
So we got Leon chicken for Auria. Like it?
First chicken. That's how good it is.
We know the chicken doesn't look appealing, but it's fire. Look at this. It looks nasty, right? But it tastes real good.
And Avery's having his little Gerber. So I'm baking Auria some cupcakes, and we're going, hopefully, I think she grabbed them and she was going to play with the little cupcake toppers, and I don't know if she knows where she left them, but let's hope she does. So made some little goodie bags and just set up the whole table so we can sing happy birthday to her. The cupcakes, they're super cute. I love this one and that one too. And then her little plates. The cake came with these, are really cute. They have like knives, spoons, and fork. Came up with these little cups and some napkins and these little blow up thingy majigers. Alright, and let me bring her. So I forgot to show you guys her outfit. Stop moving.
Sorry.
Converse jeans and her sweatshirt. Among Us.
Among Us. And it's the same one on
The same picture that she has on her cake. Let me see your sleeves. Among Us. And then just did little pigtails and curled her hair for her birthday.
Mom!
All right.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Auria. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish.
Yay! Why?
Okay.
No!
Wait, Athena's blowing?
1, 2, 3.
Again?
Athena, stop.
Funny moments, fun too.
Athena, your birthday was last week, girl.
Athena, stop. That's your fault. Did you get to do it? Yeah? Are you sure?
She wants to blow it. No!
Oh. All right, look at that.
Cut it. I'm an imposter.
Oh my God.
Excuse me.
I'm so violent.
Excuse me.
Yeah, she has a little like pig thingy out.
I'm so violent.
You bought that? That's so extra.
Right?
Can you please move out of my way?
Yeah, I'll take. Dina. I'll take.
It's okay, he's grabbing.
Mason wants some for decoration.
Here, I don't know which one are you looking for.
Oh, I thought they were all nice.
Here you go.
Mom, I'm looking for a spork.
Okay, can
Hi, Mommy, I hope you like it.
Okay, go
I hope
ahead.
you like it.
Okay.
What was that?
That was weird. What kind of ghost stuff is going on here? Investigation.
They're coming to camera, right?
Oh, what happened?
What?
This is from the ad that I kept looking at it and forever. I always went up those. I kept oh my god, I've seen those.
Pick it up. Pick it up.
She can't.
I don't think she knows.
Help her, baby, help her.
Pick it up.
Oh my God, it's nice.
Oh my god, this is so fluffy.
Wait, wait, explain yourself? You seen it where?
An ad, because on ads, does so on the ads,
Is it a
there's
YouTube ad?
like, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let me move your bag and then grab your.
Well, show what you get. Oh, wait, do you like it? Did you like it? It's just,
Nice.
I could kind of figured you would like it because it looked like it was all you, you know?
Yeah, I can tell. I love this one more.
Yeah? Oh,
Yeah. Say thank you.
Thank you.
I love you, Mama. Glad you like it.
Happy birthday.
Birthday. We wish it could be bigger with a lot of people here and more presents, but, you know,
If everything goes
big
well
old
this summer.
pandemic is going
I want
on.
to break this already.
So today is actually the next day. I completely forgot to end the video, but I just wanted to ask you, how did you like your day?
I loved it.
Yeah.
Especially I love the toys and the goodies. Oh, Mommy.
Yeah. She had like this little backpack which is upstairs, but she completely is obsessed, and then Layla wants one now. Here, baby, here. So do you feel a whole year wiser, smarter, bigger, older? Yes.
And older.
Yeah. It was just something super small. I know we can't really have all our family over and stuff, so I just, Mommy, please stop. So I just wanted to make their birthdays special. I like to make all my kids' birthdays special, like even if it's just us, just like decorate the house and stuff, just so they can feel special. But that's it for today's video, guys, so please like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.